So hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to increase AdSense CPC, and I will share complete method how you can increase your CPC. Basically I will refresh, then we talk about it. We provide AdSense approval course, AdSense loading arbitration course, YouTube watch time course, and YouTube CPM work course. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp. Okay, so I just refresh my AdSense dashboard, and here you can see all of my earning. Okay, today the day just start and I earn this amount, and here you can see this is a two last day payment. All day I earn this, and because of last day I did 1 or 2 hour work, so I earn this. Also I run paid ads, I will tell you. Okay, so here's my payment. You can see the 7-day payment. If you see 7-day payment is less, but also it's a safe. I do save work, I prefer save work. Okay, so if you do save work, so you will easily make money and you don't have any kind of issues. You know, many people have disable their accounts. So here is my RPM. So my RPM is very low right now because of my traffic is not coming on my site well. Okay, the page views you can see. Okay, so I got only 1 click and you can see this is my CPC. So here's some tips for you to increase CPC. Also I share A to Z things in my course, but if you want to learn, you not buy my course, but today I will share some tips for you. You can drive quality traffic, so increase your CPC. The first thing you have to do is you have to write high CPC content in your AdSense account. I share a different video, a separate video on how you can write high CPC content in your website. So the second thing, you have to drive at least some of organic traffic, and the third thing is I share this method on my course. So if you have my course, you can watch there. I share practical methods which I share A to Z about CPC. Okay, also there's a multiple factor about to increase CPC. The most is use high CPC keyword, not use high CPC keyword, but the browser where you come to your website. You are doing loading and you have a browser. In your browser there are multiple keyword search, multiple high CPC